new sound. Are you ready to learn the new sound with me today? Yes, you are. Okay, what sound are we learning about this week? Wah, wah, wah. Are you ready to listen to the song? Let's go. Put your hands out like this. I see the clouds moving, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. One more time. Put your hands out.
I see the clouds moving, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong.
Well done, 3FS. Okay, now 3FS, we need to learn about the sound w, w, w. But first, let's remember what's the name of the letter? W. What's the name of the letter? W. And what's the sound? W, w, w. Okay, this is how we write uppercase w, and this is how we write lowercase w. Okay, remember, where do we start lowercase letters? We start lowercase letters at the dashing line. Dashing line. I want you to remember something. Lowercase w is a short letter. Okay, so where do we start short letters? Dashing line. We start from the dashing line, down, back up to the dashing line, down to the bottom line, and back up to the dashing line. Okay, and now we need to learn about some vocabulary that start with the sound w. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Can you tell me? I know you know it. I can hear you. Yeah, watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon start with w, w, w. Are you ready for the next word? Yes, you are. Say next. Next. All right. Can you tell me what is this? Oh, wave. Wave. Big wave. Okay. What's the first sound do we hear when I say wave? Wave. What? Wave. Are you ready for the next word? Say next. Can you tell me what word is this? I can hear you. Okay. Wagon. What? Wagon. The first sound I hear when I say wagon is wagon. Can you repeat after me? Wagon. Wagon. All right. Next, Miss Sarah. What is this? Wall. Wall. Repeat. Wall. Next, Miss Sarah. Okay. What about this one? Walnut. 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 Can you repeat? Walnut. Next, Miss Sarah. Oh, what is this? Watch. Watch. Can you repeat? Watch. I am wearing a watch. Next. Okay, what about this one? Whale. Whale. Can you repeat? Whale. Where? Start with w. Next. What about this one? Wheel. Wheel. The first sound I hear when I say wheel is wheel. All right, next. What about this one? Whistle. The first sound I hear when I say whistle is one? Water. Water. The first sound I hear when I say water is water. Next. Oh, what about this one? Windmill. Windmill. The first sound I hear when I say windmill is windmill. Oh, what about this one? I keep my money and cards in it. Wallet. Wallet. And now you know most of the words that start with the sound wa. Repeat the PowerPoint and say the words again. We learned about the letter W and its sound wa. Its action wa. And we learned some vocabulary that start with the sound wa and how to write it. And that is it for this week. See you next week with a new sound.